In this video, we're going to do negative integer arithmetic using the Texas Instruments TI-15 calculator. Okay, we're going to have some interesting results here. So let's say you got -3 take away -8 equals. How do we do this? Well, we press in -3. We got to press the negative key first. It's not the subtraction key. Then subtract. You could put parentheses if you like. -8, close the close bracket, enter, or equals, gives you 5, right? Two negatives make a positive, and then -3. Signs are different. Then you subtract, then you keep the sign of the larger one, right? Technically, that's not really true, but that's how it works. What about -5 plus -7 equals, right? So we press -5 plus, and then we can put parentheses if you like. -7, close parentheses, enter, gives you -12. A negative times positive times a negative is a negative. That's a 7. -5. If the signs are the same, you add, and then you keep the sign. Now, let's do this again. -5 plus, right, a -7. That looks kind of weird, but you can do that. Enter, gives you -12. Let's say you get -5 divided by -8, right? -5 divided by -8. You enter, and it gives you this weird fraction, you might think. 625 divided by 1,000, okay? Now, this is the case because the number, if you press fraction to decimal, decimal to fraction, is 0.625. And as you can see, if you move the decimal place 1, 2, 3, that's why you got the 3 zeros. So it's this answer here, right? Negative divided by negative is positive. This will come here on a regular calculator. But this is a TI-15. So it keeps it in a kind of like a fraction that's not reduced. I thought that was interesting. Then -8 times -16. 2 negatives make a positive, but -8 times -16, right? And you press equals, and it gives you 128. Two negatives make a positive, and then you multiply. How about -8 squared? How does that handle that? Well, we press -8, and then we press the caret key, 2, enter, and that's going to give you -64. That means it's doing 8 times 8, gives you 64, and then it just takes the negative. Now, you need to be aware that this calculator does it this way. Other calculators will say positive 64. So you have to make sure your calculator, what it's doing, right? So let's say 5 take away 9 squared. How does it do that? Well, 5, right? This is a takeaway, then 9, and then caret squared, entered, and that gives you -76. That means that it's taking 5. This is negative. 9 squared is 81, and then 5 take away 81 is -76. This is a very beautiful, interesting calculator, the TI-15. It's used primarily, I believe, before middle school. Very unique design, very beautiful buttons and colorful, and it has very neat features. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please tell your friends, your teachers. I hope you have a great semester. And if you have any questions on the utilization of this calculator, put it in our comment section, and I'll see if I know how to do it. All right, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.